60 سؤال multiple choice question للتحضير لامتحان بلدية دبي للحصول على شهادة مزاولة مهنة المقاولات في +12 حسب الطريقة الجديدة 2021. الامتحان عبارة عن 25 سؤال لمدة ساعة. أنواع الأسئلة مقسمة على 3 مواضيع رئيسية: أسئلة تخص أعمال الخرصانة، وأسئلة تخص المباني الفولازية، وأسئلة تخص أعمال الحفر وتدعيم جوانب الحفر والأساسات وفقا لشروط بلدية دبي والكود الامريكي. الاسئلة باللغة الانجليزية فقط. السؤال الاول: As per DM rules, the average compressive stress under working loads shall not exceed 25% of the design cube strength of the pile concrete at 28 days. Mechanical splice minimum 50 diameters may be used after demonstrating to the site engineer that the splice can develop 125 of the specified yield strength of the bar. The correct slabbing location in the beam is extreme middle third in top at support and at support in bottom. In strap beam in footing, the maximum reinforcement should be in the top of the beam. Piles are used in the foundation primarily to transform load from superstructure through weak strata or water into stronger and stiffer soil or rock. In offshore projects, pile can be driven to a maximum of 150 meters. Structural elements that hold the earth retaining wall is foundation, toe, and heel. The maximum deflection for cantilever beam under uniformly distributed load is W L to the power 4 over 8 EI. As per DM requirements, the modification factor for post-tensioning slab is as per DM requirements, the maximum angle of excavation is 40 degrees. As per DIN 1048 standards, water penetration at 28 days test should not exceed minimum of. As per ASTM C1202, the rapid chloride penetration at 28 days test for reinforced concrete piles should not exceed. As per ACI, the maximum allowable elongation in post-tensioning tendons is Why vibrators are not used in pile concrete? Because concrete used is self-compacted and has high slump. If D is the effective diameter of post-tensioning slab, then the maximum spacing for post-tensioning tendons as per ACI is pile requires test during construction, dynamic integrity, sonic integrity, all of the above. This is the correct answer. The minimum diameter of spiral shear lengths used for pile steel as per Dubai Municipality rules is The maximum acceptable settlement for the piles under working lots is the area of main reinforcement bars for piles shall not be less than 1% of the sectional area. The effect of liquefaction on soil is settlement, landsliding, loss of bearing capacity. All of the above are correct. This is the correct answer. Where should sulfate-resistant cement be used in buildings? Mostly used underground. The purpose of integrity test on pile is to check necking and building indicator. Minimum distance between anchors in shoring system is 1.2 meters. As per DM rules, maximum length of anchors in shoring system is maximum deflection due to live load for normal floors as per ACI code is L over 360. What is the effect of corrosion in reinforcement on concrete elements? Damage of concrete, cracking, deflection is more. All of the above are correct. Toe depth for piles with respect to diameter is 2 diameters. Maximum vertical steel reinforcement in columns as per DM rules is 4% for normal lapping and 8% for using couplers. Correct answer. Maximum deflection in simply supported beam for uniformly distributed load is given by the normal consistency of Portland cement is the unit weight of 25 mm steel bar is in case of a steel column resting on concrete pedestal. Why we provide grouting? To provide full contact surface between base of a steel column and pedestals. Why grouting is used in post-tensioning tendons? To make mechanical connection to transfer stresses and to prevent corrosion of tendons. Why post-tensioning slab is better than normal slab rebar? Deflection is less, cracking chance is less, bearing greater loads. All the above answers are correct. Core samples are taken for getting tensile strength, compressive strength, water absorption, surface hardness. Correct answer is B. The shutter and bottom support of non-cantilever slab is removed with a minimum of 14 days. Shotcrete is used in repairing surfaces, dam surfaces, curb decorative surface. All of the above are correct. Rebound Smith hammer test is a non-destructive test. The first compression test on cube is done after 7 days. The density of lightweight concrete is core sample should be taken after 28 days. Bitumen is used to provide protective surface. Adding more water to concrete makes its strength increase, decrease, remain same, may increase or decrease. The average strength of cubes at the end of the 28 days should be answer D. Density of steel is the maximum deflection of pile as per DM rules is the allowable settlement in rough foundation. Which type of cement is used for slab concrete? Ordinary Portland cement. How many cube samples required for 110 meter cubes of concrete on a single day? Select the correct shear force diagram for the given beam. Shear force diagram. A. Select the correct bending moment diagram for the given beam. Answer C. Select the correct bending moment diagram for the given beam. Answer D. Select the correct shear force diagram for the given beam. Answer B. The minimum spacing between bolts is 2.5 D. The type of the weld used to connect two perpendicular elements, Philip welds. The distance between center of gravity of the flanges of the universal column is known as the maximum edge and end distance for bolts is a welding type used to connect in case of having an attached existing building to excavation area as well as high water table. The type of shoring must be secant pile or diaphragm walls, soldier piles, timber, none of the above. Secant piles. The soldier pile shoring system is applied only for a maximum of 2 basement, 1 basement, 3 basement, none of the above. That's the end of 60 multiple choice question. Thank you.